If you are encountering a restrictions-enabled error on an app, or finding that certain apps or features are blocked on your iPhone, it might be caused by content restrictions, screen time settings, or parental controls. This can limit access to some apps or functions. But here are some simple steps to fix it. Solution 1. Turn off content and privacy restrictions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Scroll down again, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Allowed Apps or Allowed Feature. Turn on the apps you want to use. Go back, and if restrictions are enabled, toggle Content and Privacy Restrictions to Off. Solution 2. Disable app limits in Screen Time. Open Settings. Scroll down and go to Screen Time. Tap App Limit. If there are limits set on the app that's restricted, tap the limit, then tap Delete Limit to remove the restriction. Solution 3. Turn off downtime in Screen Time. Open Settings. Scroll down, then tap Screen Time. Tap Downtime. Make sure downtime is turned off, as this could restrict access to certain apps during specific times. Mostly, your problem will be solved by now. In case you still face the same issue, then only follow the last process. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. This will reset all settings without deleting data, and could resolve issues related to restriction. These steps should help remove any restrictions stopping the app from working correctly on your iPhone. If the problem continues, contact Apple support for more help.